the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. You all are on a journey over there. I know you're in a fail fast, sort of agile sort of mode. Tell us what's happening at U.S. Patent and Trademark Office.
Well, of course, coming out of the pandemic has been key for all of us. We want to get back to a sort of normal, but I do think culturally there is no normal. And in fact, what we're doing is we're setting the stage for the newness. We're not going to go back to the way it was, but we can't keep staying at home. And so because of that, this hybrid approach that we're taking to the newly designed functions within the intellectual property community. I mean, it is huge. You have to do the outreach, just as Nancy was talking about. Our customer base is the intellectual property community. We are fee funded. We don't take taxes. And so because of that, we have to open up our design criteria to that new world of intellectual property and how they are going to interface online. And it's really great. 1996, we digitized all that paper. However, in doing that, the digitalization of that workflow really was not optimized for the online experience. Instead, it was just modeled after a paper-based manual system. So in order to optimize, we really have to redo that workflow. And that's what we're in the middle of. We're trying to figure out how to make it more efficient for the customer, not for us. So often our websites and the things we throw up online represent the bureaucratic organizations that we've put together. At the PTO, what we're trying to do is break down those bureaucratic barriers and actually create it from the online experience, from that user community, from the fee payer. Because I have a fiduciary to ensure that that fee payer is getting the biggest bang for the buck. And so because of that, we're measuring our productivity in terms of pendency, the time it takes between submission and award or rejection, and also quality. How do you measure quality in patents? Well, it's pretty easy. If it's not rejected, then you have pretty good quality. The fact of the matter, there's a lot of things that go into court. We're actually a law and engineering based organization. We do everything through the scientific method. And so we can replicate that process, that thought, those algorithms through artificial intelligence and using robotic process automation to our advantage. So yes, fail fast, agile, DevSecOps, it's all included, but it all starts with that fee pair and reaching out and making sure that experience for those 6 personas that we've created is optimized for the online world.